Okay, assalamu alaikum. So this is the second part of our video, and in this part we will cover the types of magnet materials. So which type of materials are used for making magnets? So there are five types of magnetic materials. So we will look into the properties of and definitions of all these five types one by one. So first of all, Alnico, we can say that Alnico magnets, they are made primarily from aluminium, nickel and cobalt. So that's why they are named as Al, Ni and Co. They can also be sometimes made by titanium. Hence it is mostly from aluminium, nickel and cobalt. That's why it's named after Al, Ni, Co. So these magnets are available in variety of shapes and size and are very temperature stable. They produce a strong magnetic field and are commonly known for their popularity as red horseshoe or bar magnet. So in physics lab in our colleges we mostly use these Alnico magnets. You can see in the picture they are mostly in these two shapes. They are like, this is called the horse shape and bar magnet. This is called the horse shape magnet, horseshoe shape, because if you see the below of the horseshoe shape there is an iron bar used to protect the shoe of the horse. And this second type of magnet, this is the bar magnet. So these two types of magnets we mostly used in our labs, and they are also Alnico magnets. And why they are called Alnico? Because of they are made of aluminium, nickel and cobalt. Second types of magnets are ceramic or ferrite magnets. They are mostly composed of strontium carbonates and iron oxide. These types of magnets mostly we used in our appliances, or you can say the sound systems, our speakers, or in medical applications they are used in MRI machines. So they have their specific shapes. They can be in the rings, blocks, cylinders or discs type. So all these types of materials which we are studying, you have to look into their applications, because in exam mostly the questions will not come like please describe the Alnico magnets or ceramic magnets. You will be asked for their applications, mostly for their applications. So ceramic applications are mostly in speaker, sound systems, MRI, these types of application. These magnets are magnet materials are used when the magnet is used in these applications. Third one is high energy flexible. So they are made from strontium ferrite powder mixed with the polymer bonding. Why with the polymer bonding? Because these magnets mostly used in strips. You can see in this picture, these are the strips. You can say like a tape used, but they are magnets. These magnets are yes, because they are mostly used outdoors. So these magnets are anti-stroptic and have high resistance. Why they are used in strips? Because of their property, because they have high resistance to the weather and natural elements. So that's why they are used for the outdoor application, and for indoor, obviously if they are performing very good outdoor, so they can be used for indoor applications. High energy flexible magnets can be manufactured with adhesive for permanent applications or plain and are inexpensive compared to other forms of magnetic materials. So mostly whenever we in construction or for any type of renovation, we need magnets, and they are in clearly contact with the natural environment or outdoor, so we use high energy flexible magnets because they have uh, good properties in different type of weather conditions. Neodymium magnets. So these type of magnets, as you can see in the picture, they are very small in size, and they are mostly composed of neodymium, iron, boron, and other metals. So what are the applications of these? Mostly these are because they are small inside but very powerful, so they can be handled with very clear care. Otherwise, it can also because we handle it with care to avoid the injuries in different environments, to hand to stick different objects. If we see in the electronic components, sometimes we can't use iron soldering to attach to components, so there we can use these coins types of magnets to stick, because they have very high magnetic power or magnetic field, so they can be used in those type of applications. So you can also look inside the applications in daily life of this type of magnets. Another one is samarium cobalt. This is a second type of rare earth magnet. It is composed of same as samarium, cobalt, and iron. So they have high resistance. They are you can say in high temperature or good temperature stability. And when we talk about some permanent magnets, so these type of materials are used to form the permanent magnets. So now we will talk about the types of magnets. These were the types of materials used. So materials are always used as per applications. Like alnico we studied, they are used for in labs performing some experiments or this type. And ceramic, they are mostly used in our appliances, speakers, and in medical applications. High energy flexible magnet, they are used for outdoor applications mostly. These neodymium, they are used for because they are very powerful magnets, so for attaching or combining things. And this can be used for the permanent magnets. So now the types of magnets. What are the types of magnets used in? So this type of magnets, this we will do in our third part of the video.